Welcome to our video on the fastest way to learn Forex trading. Forex trading is a popular form of investment that involves buying and selling currencies to make a profit. But becoming a successful Forex trader requires knowledge, experience, and discipline. In this video, we will provide you with expert tips and strategies to help you master Forex trading quickly and efficiently. Forex trading can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. With so much information available, it's hard to know where to start. That's why we've created this video to help you learn Forex trading in the fastest way possible. To start with, let's understand the basics of Forex trading. Forex trading involves buying and selling currencies to make a profit. The goal is to buy low and sell high, or sell high and buy low. Forex trading takes place in the global foreign exchange market, which is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Now that you understand the basics, let's move on to some expert tips and strategies to help you become a successful Forex trader. Tip 1. Develop a trading plan. A trading plan is essential for any Forex trader, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. It should include your trading goals, risk tolerance, and trading strategies. Your trading plan should be flexible, and you should be willing to make adjustments as needed. Tip 2. Learn to manage your risk. Forex trading involves risk, and it's essential to manage your risk to avoid significant losses. You can manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders, limiting your leverage, and diversifying your investments. Tip 3. Use technical analysis. Technical analysis is a popular trading strategy that involves using charts and indicators to analyze market trends and make trading decisions. You can use technical analysis to identify support and resistance levels, trends, and patterns. Tip 4. Keep up with the news. The foreign exchange market is affected by global events and economic news. Keeping up with the news can help you make informed trading decisions. Tip 5. Practice with a demo account. Before you start trading with real money, it's a good idea to practice with a demo account. A demo account allows you to trade with virtual money, so you can test your trading strategies and get a feel for the market without risking your own money. Congratulations! You've learned the fastest way to learn Forex trading. By following these expert tips and strategies, you can become a successful Forex trader in no time. Remember to develop a trading plan, manage your risk, use technical analysis, keep up with the news, and practice with a demo account. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!